Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the box itself, and as you can probably tell, I've gone for the violet ones, and the main reason behind that is because, well, quite frankly, I wanted it to match to my Z Flip 3. Let's see what you get inside the box. Okay, as you can see, here's the buds themselves all wrapped up, and here is most likely going to be the charging cable, and I do not believe that there's a power brick like with everything else these days. Okay, so here's another angle of the device, and as suspected, we just have a charging cable, as well as the buds themselves, and I'm gonna take you through a quick setup of them. And just the same as with any other accessory, you just use the Galaxy Wear app, just like you would with the watch. So I'm just going to go into that now, and all you do, just the same as, for example, AirPods Pro, you just open the case and it will start scanning for devices. And the reason why I went for the Galaxy Buds Pros as opposed to the new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, am I saying that the right way? Never mind if I'm not, is purely because the new ones are basically just a matte finish on the earbuds themselves, whereas these have glossy on the earbuds, and I know it's personal preference, but I prefer that. Okay, I am now pressing connect on the device itself. It's now connecting. I'll quickly show you that. Oh, it's already gonna have that screen, but it's just downloading the software for it. Right, let's see what it says. We have check privacy and whatnot. Yep, we agree. Man, it says you're all set, and it is quite literally as simple as that. They are paired almost as fast as the AirPods. Now what have we got? It says there's a new version of the software. I'll do that in my own time. It does say they need charging, so what have we got? We have noise control, so just like the, why have we got the phone in front of my face? Just like the AirPods Pro, we've got active noise cancellation as well as transparency mode, but on the Galaxy app, it's actually called ambient sound, but it's exactly the same thing. We have voice detect on this. I don't believe the AirPods side has that, but all that does is, let's say you've got your AirPods in your ear, and then you go to start a conversation. As opposed to the music stop playing completely, it'll just go really low volume, so you can still have that conversation, and when you're finished, it'll automatically detect that and go back to your music at the volume that it was at. So I've turned that on. Just gonna update the software on this, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, what I want to do now is to test the volume and see what I actually think of them. So here's the buds themselves with the nice violet glossy finish. Now, is this the right hand side? It is. Okay, that's one side. They feel so much different to AirPods Pro. Okay, and let's test them out. So we're going to be using Apple Music because it's clearly better than Spotify. Let's hit play.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling.
Okay, sounds pretty good.
Thing that saves me.
and the voice detector actually came in then. So the moment I started speaking, as I mentioned earlier, the volume went really quiet. So that would work the same as I said before. You was like in conversation with someone. And now when I stop talking, let's see what it does.
What do without you? Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror.
Yeah, it immediately went back up.
My ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
Okay, let's pause that, and yeah, that's literally all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and initial impressions of these. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, all the usual stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.